In this video, I'll show you how to start a buddy read on StoryGraph. First, open your StoryGraph app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your currently tracked books. If the book you want to read with someone isn't already listed, use the search bar at the top of the screen to find it. When you've found the book, tap on its title to open its page. From here, tap either to read or currently reading to add it to your account. Once that's done, tap the three dots located next to the reading status dropdown on the Books page. A menu will appear. Tap on Start a Buddy Read. You'll now be taken to a new screen where you can enter a short description for the buddy read. This description will be shown to the people you invite, so you can use it to explain the reading timeline or themes. Below that, you'll see a list of suggested users. This includes any friends you have, as well as community members who are also interested in the book. You can invite up to 14 other people, making the total number of participants 15, including yourself. If the people you want to invite don't show up in the list, use the search box at the top to find them by their username. Scroll down further, and you'll find the option to set an end date. This is when you expect everyone to finish reading. This helps keep the group on track and encourages timely discussions. You'll also see a checkbox allowing you to make the buddy read public, meaning anyone interested can join in. Once all your selections are in place, tap on Create. The buddy thread will now be set up and the users you've invited will receive invitations. At first, it will show invitations sent. Once they accept, you'll see their names listed as participants. Scroll down to Post Comments. You can add a comment linked to a specific percentage or page number in the book. Once added, your comment will only be visible to other users after they reach that point in their reading, helping to avoid spoilers. Participants can also reply and start discussions based on your comment. And that's how you start a buddy read on StoryGraph.